Hi everyone! Today we are going to make spicy mayo. This creamy, spicy mayonnaise goes great with sushi, any Asian dish as a drizzle, or as a dipping sauce for burgers, sandwiches, nuggets, and fries. It's a must-have in any household, and is sure to become your new favorite dipping sauce. It only takes a minute to make, and refrigerates well too. Let's get started. First off, add the mayonnaise into a measuring cup. Next, add the sriracha chili sauce. Then add the sesame oil, and lastly, add the soy sauce. Mix well. And that's all for the recipe. All you have left to do now is serve it with your favorite dishes. And you're done! Enjoy your spicy mayo. Please like the video if you enjoyed the recipe and subscribe for more traditional Asian recipes. If you have any questions, please let us know down in the comment section.